Hi ladies, welcome to my studio. This is Smriti from Shri Vai Smriti. Here you can find out different kind of saris, pattas, blouse pieces, then dress material, kaftan. So please do visit Shri Vai Smriti.
And in collection, you will find beautiful options of organza, patni, monga silk sarees, tissue silk sarees. They have beautiful options in dupattas, ready-made blouses. Also, they have dress materials. So if you have a wedding, if you want something for yourself, festivities ke liye, gifting ke liye, then do visit Shri by Smriti and swipe left to see the collection.
These are the pure katan silk dress material. You
Okay.
can see the detailing. And this is called the minakari.
Okay, Meenakari.
Yeah, these are called the minakari work.
Okay.
These all are pure hand woven.
Okay.
This
Look
is
at that.
woven from Banaras itself.
Okay.
So-
Look at that.
Here is the top part.
Beautiful.
You can see the color.
Okay.
And this is the lower.
Okay. These are the pants.
And then the pants. And this is the dupatta.
Dupatta. Okay.
Yeah, this is the dupatta. These all are on pure katan silk.
Okay.
We have more options
Mm-hmm.
in katan silk. Like these are the options.
Okay. They have
You can wear
beautiful
in
options.
Mehndi function, and if you're wearing this marriage season.
Right. This is for your mehendi. If you want, you're a wedding guest. You can
Yeah,
choose
you can.
from any of them. Beautiful color options.
Or you can gift your guest
Yes,
in
absolutely.
this wedding
Lovely.
season. And this again. Right. These are the raw mango silk. These are all pure Banarasi raw mango. You
Okay.
can see the detailing. These are the Sona Rupa border.
Mhm.
And this border is on pure satin silk.
Okay.
So you can get lots of color in this.
All
And these
right.
are the options.
Okay. These are the color
Yeah,
options.
color
Look
options.
at that.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
This you can wear in your haldi or mehndi function.
Right. This is also very beautiful color. Perfect for wedding season if you're looking for something. Look at this beautiful bright yellow. Lovely.
So you can get more option
Very
in raw
pretty.
mango.
Okay. In this particular section, we are going to show you beautiful Kanjivaram hand woven sarees, and these ones that you are seeing are beautiful premium ones. So ये जो आप देख रहे हैं पूरा plain है, but if you even want to elevate your look, then we have one more design and beautiful design उसमें. So yes, let's show you that. ये जो पीस है इसमें पूरा हैंड वर्क किया हुआ है एंड ब्यूटिफुली डन. यू कैन सी द डिटेलिंग. वील शो यू मोर डिटेलिंग पूरी साड़ी में. जस्ट लुक एट दैट. ब्यूटिफुल. एंड आप अपनी खुद की साड़ीज भी लेकर आ सकते हैं एंड यू कैन गेट देम कस्टमाइज लाइक दिस. वन मोर ऑप्शन इन दिस पर्टिकुलर beautiful hand embroidered sari is this one. Just look at that. Beautiful, isn't it? Very pretty.
In dress material,
Mm-hmm.
like we have in tissue.
Okay.
These are on pure raw silk,
Okay.
and these are on pure munga.
Munga. Okay. So we'll open one piece and we'll see how it looks exactly. Look
This
at
is
that.
the dupatta.
Okay. This is the dupatta.
Yeah.
Very
See the
pretty.
dupatta. This is the dupatta.
Look at that.
This is the
Beautiful
lower.
dupatta. These are the pants and that's the kurta. This is also very pretty. Okay. Lovely. You can use them for gifting purpose also, or if you're a bride to be, you want to use them for your trousseau, you can use these. इसमें भी बहुत सारे options हैं उनके पास, so do check them out. In this section, we will show you पैठनी and beautiful option in organza sarees. This is the classic पैठनी साड़ी. As you can see, beautiful detailing के साथ आप contrast blouse भी पहन सकते हैं इसके साथ. More beautiful color to it, as you can see. It's a coral pink color. थोड़ा सा धूप छांव इफेक्ट के साथ. And then moving on to beautiful organza sarees as well. Look at this one. Beautiful. Wow. Look at the detailing done on it. Very pretty. उसमें color options are available. So something like this in beige color. Look at the detailing of this work. Very pretty. And then we have color of this season, that is the beautiful rust orange style. If you're liking this particular one, just look at that. Beautiful. And then उसके साथ In this section, we are going to see beautiful tissue sarees. Just look at the detailing on this one. Beautiful borders. Look at the color combination. Let me show you the full saree. Just look at that. Beautiful, isn't it? These are more options in these beautiful tissue sarees. So as you can see, जो हमने पहले देखा उसमें ही you will find another color, beautiful borders yet again. And if you want more options, they have बहुत सारे options हैं यहाँ पे. Look at the tassel detailing on the sarees as well. This is a beautiful one with border. They have more options. Like I told you, this is beautiful, पूरा tissue. Let's see the detailing also. Look at that. Wow, lovely. ये पर्टिकुलर सेक्शन पूरा प्योर बनारसी टिश्यू है एंड एज यू कैन सी ये पूरा साड़ी इज ब्यूटिफुली डन एंड इट इज प्लेन. नाउ अगेन इफ यू वांट सम ब्यूटिफुल वर्क डन ऑन इट देन वी हैव द सेम साड़ी बट there's beautifully embroidered things done on it. Just look at the detailing. Beautiful. See how it looks. पूरा साड़ी पे उन्होंने काम किया हुआ है. So if you want to do the same with your sarees, you can get your sarees here. One more piece that we want to show you is this one. Just look at that. Beautiful. Let me show you the detailing of the work that is done here. Okay.
This is the blouse piece.
This is the blouse piece. Very pretty. Lovely. Just look at that. Again, this is pure Banarasi tissue.
Options in dupattas.
Okay.
See, this is the pure Munga dupatta.
Okay.
With hand woven. These all are the hand woven dupatta.
Okay.
These all are pure fabric.
All right. Beautiful option.
We have more options in dupatta.
Okay.
These are the options.
So more color options in pure hand woven Munga silk dupattas. Just look at that. These are also perfect for gifting if you want to keep it in your wedding favor basket, or if you want something for your trousseau, or if you want to mix and match something for the wedding season. They have lots of options here. Just look at that. Beautiful. So these are beautiful single piece material options. So yes, we'll get to know from ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
These are the pure katan.
Okay.
One piece. You can make it as a kaftan, or you can use it as a kurti.
Okay.
These are the very long. These are the pieces.
Right.
These are
Look
the
at that.
back side.
Right.
These are the sleeves. We have more option in this.
Yes, they have more
Yeah,
options.
These are the options.
Look at that. So you can get a kurta, or if you want a kaftan, if you want something interesting for yourself, you can get it all done. You're free to choose which color you want and what pattern you want. They have so many options in them as well.